Hi, this is Bruce Paul and you're listening to Lighting Gourmet. Today we're going to talk about Lutron Caseta, which is a whole system. We actually have several videos on it and different components, etc. But today it's going to be an overview. And how you start with Lutron Caseta is with this little kit right here. You get, well, you don't get a phone, but you get the brain, you get a Pico, explain that later, and you get a dimmer. Starting with this, less than 150 bucks, and you're good to go. And what you can do is things like have your lights turn on automatically at dusk, turn off at dawn, turn on and off at certain times, your outside lights, your inside lights. You can turn on lamps. You can even have shading controls and your air conditioning and heating connected to it. Very cool system. There's a lot of capabilities and a few limitations. Limitations are going to be 50 devices it maxes out at. So you don't want to do it on a real big house. 1,500 to 3,000 square feet, generally that's going to work. And then also the distance is going to be limited. It reaches at least 30 feet from its brain that plugs into your wireless router, and you can extend that signal one time in one direction with a extender, which is actually a lamp dimmer product.